Day 42 from 0 to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge, and today we'll be talking about how to add a carousel element to our WordPress website. So yesterday we talked about how to add a search bar to our WordPress website, but today we'll be talking about how to add a carousel element to our WordPress website. So what does this does for our website? This helps us to have like a showcase of, probably maybe we want to showcase our services, or maybe images or video or something, in particular, or testimonial of people who have patronized us before, and we want to showcase it in a way that we attract people. We don't want it to be static. Let me just put it that way. So we don't want the section to be static. We don't want whatever detail, whatever element, whatever image, or whatever text we want to showcase to be static. All right, so we can use a carousel element to do that. So basically, the first thing you need to do once you log in into your WordPress is to find the particular section where you want to add the carousel element. So once you find the section, either you create a new section or you make use of whatever available space you have. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be creating a new section. All right, so once you are done creating the section, you come to add elements. Then you So to do this, one thing I didn't mention earlier was, to do this you will need the pro version of Elementor. Right, you can't do this with the basic version, though there are other elements you can make use of, that looks like this, but this is more efficient than the others. All right, but you need the pro version to do it. So once you find it, this is the one, the carousel one, then you drag it to the section. So from here you can make the settings. So if I want it to display one by one, I can set it up to display one by one. All right, so here I can add 3 slides, but each slide will display one by one. All right, and also if I want the slide to display on scroll, to be one by one also. So once you are scrolling on it, it will still display. All right, so the page won't be static. All right, so if I'm scrolling off the section, it will still be displaying that particular service or image I want to render with the carousel. All right, so once you are done with that, you can make few settings also from here. You can decide to put it at autoplay, so it will automatically display itself, or if you don't want that, you can off it. And also you can the scroll speed, you can either increase or decrease it here. Also you can pause on over. So once my mouse goes over a particular uh, image or text or whatever is displaying at that particular moment, it will pause till I'm done, till my mouse goes off that particular section. All right, so pause on interaction, probably maybe I clicked on a button on the section, then the carousel will stop scrolling on that particular section. All right, so infinite scroll, that means wherever I do, wherever I am on the website, it will continue to scroll, it won't stop. So the duration, you can also increase this or decrease it. All right, so these are just the basic settings you can work on. And also the navigation, so you can decide to change the location of the icon. You can decide to change the icon from here, then you can decide to change the location of the icon. You can decide to change the position also. All right, so these things are not as important as whatever you want to put in uh the section. So you need to be careful and be mindful, whatever you're going to put in there needs to go and work, and needs to work with the movement of the section, so it won't affect your website. So you won't just have something that doesn't go with your website. All right, so from here I can add the title. So I can if I want to add a text, I can add a text. If I want to add an image, I can easily add an image onto it. Then I'll just upload the image, or pick the image from the library if I already have it on my WordPress website, and boom, I'll be good to go. So The next one, I can also work on the next one. If I want to add an image or a text or whatever I want to add there, I can easily drag it and then add the text I want to add. Alright, so once I'm done, I can also try to make some few changes. I can decide to work on the padding of this to bring it down a little bit. Alright, so I can work on the next section when I'm done also. So basically this is just, I don't want the video to be too long, so basically this is how to work on it. You can work on each section, then you can give it a title here. Alright, so once you are done, you just click on publish, and once it's done you can preview your work. So as you can see, this is the carousel section, and if I just click on this, it should take me to the next section. I don't know why it's not moving. Okay, so basically this is how to add a carousel section. It's supposed to play automatically, but the scroll duration is very high. That is why it's taking a lot of time before it moves, all right, automatically. So if the time is too much, you can easily bring the time down and you'll be good to go. But whatever you're gonna put in there, this is just for practical purpose, all right. So whatever you're gonna put in there needs to make sense and needs to go with whatever the purpose of your website is, all right. So don't just do something that is that is not sensible or that doesn't work with the website that you are building. So this will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you would like me to talk about, please drop in the comment section, and if you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Thank you and God bless.